What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about this Kospet X2 Ultra, a rugged smartwatch that comes with a very good value for money and all the features of a flagship smartwatch. Well, I'm not gonna repeat these things through the review. It clearly says that it comes with quality warranty, IP69K, 5 ATM water resistance, military standard 810H certification, and Gorilla Glass protection. Not only that, if you are interested, then yeah, it supports Bluetooth calling, 24/7 health monitoring, smart sleep tracking, and it also supports 170 different type of sports. Well, as usual, before we start the review, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. The Kospet Tank X2 Ultra showcases a rugged build designed to handle the elements. With a stainless steel casing, it feels solid without adding excessive bulk. The addition of Corning Gorilla Glass 3 provides scratch and impact resistance, crucial for those seeking durability. Its bold, military inspired design is both functional and visually attractive, aimed at enduring tough conditions with its metal unibody. Rated to pass multiple military standard 810H tests, it's prepared for various environmental challenges from dust exposure to drops. Every aspect of the build emphasizes reliability, catering to those who need a smartwatch that's as tough as the adventures it's built for. Overall, this model stands out as a well crafted choice for rugged environments. Equipped with a 1.64-inch AMOLED display, the Kospet Tank X2 Ultra delivers a visually strong experience. Vivid colors and sharp contrast make on-screen information easy to read, even in sunlight, an advantage for outdoor usage. Touch responsiveness on the Kospet X2 Ultra's display is smooth and reliable, ensuring an easy user experience. The resolution is sharp for its size, with clear text and icons. Striking a balance between durability and visual quality, this display offers a satisfying experience that suits those seeking functionality in a rugged smartwatch. With its 290 mAh battery, the Kospet X2 Ultra delivers up to 12 days of typical use, about 7 days with heavy usage, and up to 44 days in standby mode. This versatility provides reliability for extended trips without frequent recharging, making it a practical choice for outdoor activities. The Kospet X2 Ultra includes a range of features tailored for fitness and outdoor use. With dual-band GPS and support for 6 satellite positioning systems, location tracking is precise, ideal for trail adventures and unfamiliar terrain. The watch also incorporates a compass and barometric altimeter, providing live direction, altitude, and air pressure details. Supporting over 170 sports modes, it covers popular activities like walking, running, and cycling. Health monitoring covers essentials like heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and sleep tracking. These metrics provide valuable insights for overall wellness, supporting an active lifestyle with ease. The feature set is extensive and designed to meet a variety of needs, keeping functionality straightforward. Overall, it offers a balance of versatility and practical capabilities tailored to those who prioritize staying active. The Kospet X2 Ultra syncs seamlessly with its companion application, delivering detailed activity and health insights. With an user-friendly interface, it's easy to review workout history and monitor health metrics. The app covers all essential functions, making it a reliable tool for tracking fitness stats and daily activities. Its straightforward design complements the smartwatch's functionality, providing a streamlined experience for those focused on maintaining an active, healthy lifestyle.
I'll keep hiding, calling out your name.
Okay, that's all about this Kospet X2 Ultra. It supports both the iOS and Android. And the companion application Kospet Fit is also available on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. I have left a link in the description box below. Go ahead, check this Kospet X2 Ultra. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.